Hi, I'm Michael,
Andre.
and we're going to open some
Pokemon. I bought this with my own money.
Scarlet and Violet base set.
I bought this with my own money.
Bubuksan ba o itatago pang habang buhay?
We're gonna open all of it.
Okay, we have two Scarlet and Violet base set
And I paid
opening
for
right
it.
now.
I paid both of it.
Okay,
This is a
sige.
big spend for me.
Alright, sige, let's go. Sige natin nung makuha ni Andre.
I broke it. I broke it. Remember card trick to?
Yes.
Saan? Paano?
We got the hit of Paradox Cliff. Hindi ko malala eh. Two? Two or three? Three in the front. I think. Oh! Mali!
I still didn't see the hollow, so I'm gonna put it back. Oh, one card yan.
One card lang, okay. Tagal ko nang di nagbukas ng base set.
So, energy.
Energy. Okay.
Shattered at a total.
Ha? Char Cadet.
Captcha Kid.
Sabihin mo na maayos.
Potion.
Capsa Kid.
I never see, I didn't see a potion for a while. Beach Shell.
Layo mo kasi hindi siya magano.
Hey, Evolution! Slot Shell. This is my card. Uy, Team Start Grunt.
I-base set tayo kasi.
Uy! Cool card! Lucario.
Okay.
Rocky Helmet.
Reverse Halo.
Versalo Portio.
And
Strategy Dedal. I'm gonna open all of it.
okay.
And I'm gonna put a color.
Okay. Wala kaming makitang Destined Rivals sa buong Antipolo, Taytay, umabot na ako ng Angono, Simulong Highway, Tanay,
Card trick.
sa Morong, sa Teresa.
Just
Wala
the
kaming
energy.
makita. So yan na lang ang binili namin. Nakita namin sa SM Makati. Shout out sa bumili para sa amin.
Si Lola. Even though he doesn't have a YouTube channel. Scatterbag. Shopet.
Ang hirap maghanap ng Destined Rivals. Ang dami na namin
Oy,
7-Eleven, inikutan, wala talaga.
Pizza Chicho.
Sa Tanay, naunahan kami, kagabi daw
Uy,
naubos
Urdor.
na.
Undor.
So,
Mega Cosa.
ibang na lang muna buksan natin.
Driplim. It looks like a ghost type.
Okay.
Defensive Band. Reversal Professor Research. How is it not Professor Oak? Reversal of Shagus.
Then,
I
wala.
shouldn't open anything. Constone.
We should have, bubuksan ba? O itatago na lang dapat habang buhay.
I wish.
Well, that's opening Pokemon for you. Bought it at Toy Express, Toy Kingdom, SM Makati. Again, mahal na niya dati, nasa 100.
I wasted 440.
But it's okay. It's okay, no worries.
I wasted 400.
At least you open packs, right? At least you open packs. Well, that's it. We just opened 2 Scarlet and Violet. Ang hirap maghanap ng mga packs ngayon. Ang hirap bumili at magbukas ng mga Pokemon cards kasi inuubos ng reseller at ng hoarders and ng scalpers. Binibenta times 2, times 3, times 4 at its original price. But again, we just open it and hopefully we got lucky next time. Bye! I'm Michael. And we just opened some. Bye.